Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a grocery haul. I don't think I filmed a grocery haul in the longest time and I keep getting asked for them, so this is why I'm in my comfies, I'm in my joggers, no makeup on, because we've literally just got back. In fact, Andrew went. Honestly, it's such an epic shop. It's a combination of Tesco and ALDI, and I think we spent about, I don't even know, I'll have to check at the end, about $240, $250, but we haven't been for a while, to be honest, and we needed a lot of stuff, and of course the kids are off the next 2 weeks. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started. I'm gonna begin with Tesco and I hope you all enjoy it. Alright, so the first thing we have is some peanut munch bars. I'm guessing these are for Andrew. We have some peaches here, some grapes. I couldn't find the candy floss grapes. I do prefer those, but I do like these ones as well. Raspberries, cherries, some ground almonds for some cakes that I plan to do. I also have some limes, lemons, an orange and 2 red peppers, a pomegranate, 2 aubergines, which are a little bit thin if I'm honest, but you know, at the minute you just have to get what you can. I have grapefruit, some tomatoes, and I think that is all the fresh fruit from Tesco. So we also have some tortellini. This is the 4 cheese, some reduced fat coleslaw. I'm going to be making some homemade custard and ice cream, so I got some vanilla pods. These are ridiculously expensive, but you know, the recipe calls for them, so I need to use those. I also have one of my favourite things to munch on for breakfast at the moment with some conserve. These are the extra fruity hot cross buns from Tesco as well, of course. I have my flatbreads that I'm always eating. We have 2 packs of those. We also have some Robinsons. I don't know if I mentioned that we have tomatoes here, but we have some salad tomatoes, some juice, some custard creams, some walnuts for a curry that I'm doing, like a Persian curry. We have some chicken noodle soup, some hot dogs, a 4-pack of snack box of beans, some chicken noodle soup, 2 oxtails, a margarita pizza, some beef stock and chicken stock. Honestly, I'm all for you guys buying your own stock. It just makes life so much easier. We also have some coleslaw here, reduced fat, a couple of packs of noodles for a quick lunch for Layla. These chips are really good and they're like £1 a bag or £1.20 and they're delicious. Ideal with a steak, so I think that's what we're going to be having tonight. I have some light Philadelphia, some fenugreek spice, which, well, seasoning I always use, some desiccated coconut, some light soft brown sugar, 2 tins of spaghetti hoops, some chopped tomatoes and passata there. We have 2 packs of the Coleman's chicken casserole, some plank cream that I use to make Andrew's ice cream and creams and cakes and chantilly cream and that kind of thing, a pack of Quavers, some Tresemme, some baby wipes, some advanced Colgate, is it Colgate? No, Aquafresh toothpaste, some washing tablets, a loaf of Warburtons, some burgers, some chicken nuggets, because I feel like, again, the kids are off, we're going to need quick fixes in as well, some fajita seasoning, some pancetta, some wipes for the worktops, some fresh orange juice, some glue spreaders, some paracetamol, because God knows we'll need them, some PVA glue, 2 packs of french fries, and a cooked chicken for lunch. So that is all the stuff we got from Tesco, and we spent, let me just tell you guys, £122.97, which then was reduced to £119.76 because we have a club card. So I'm going to start with the Aldi stuff, but I've had to put it on, I'm going to have to do it in 2 parts. So I have some apple juice, some lactose-free milks, 4 of those. I have some orange juice, apple juice, squirty cream, these jars that I get for Harrison when he wants a quick pasta lunch. I picked up 4 of those. I also have some Brussels pate, some vegetable oil, which is for chocolate cake. I have some chicken nuggets, 2 packs of the chicken stock pots and a beef one, so 2 packs altogether. A lighter creme fraiche, 2 packs of garlic bread, some Warburton's muffins, cocktail sausage, 2 packs of lamb mince, 2 packs of reduced fat sausages, some mature cheddar, some pasta shells, a sirloin, a steak as well. We also have a tuna pasta bake, a couple of those, oh actually no, 3 of those, 2 mash. We also have beef mince, 1, 2 and 3 of those. We have some bacon, like a 2 pack. I have some chicken mini breast fillets here, 1, 2, 3 of those, and I have a chicken breast and also a boneless thigh and skinless thigh. I have a micro meal for a quick dinner one night for me. I really like this one. I have some salmon fillets. I haven't tried these before from Aldi, so I'll be really intrigued. I'm not a huge fan of seafood and fish in general, but I want to give it more of a go. I have some mature cheddar. I have some red onion caramelized chutney, 2 packs of the minion ham for Layla. I also have some basmati rice, 2 cartons of the double cream, some Greek fat-free yogurt, caster sugar, turmeric, chicken paste, Harrison's favourite chocolate cake from there, and then we have some breaded fish fingers, some breaded cod, some sausage rolls, 3 packs of the milk chocolate digestives and 2 packs of the bourbon creams. I'm gonna get this away and then get the other bag out and I'll show you the fruit and veg. Okay, so moving on to the next part of the Aldi stuff. We have some pink lady apples, some chia seeds, I have some plums here, some nectarines, some blueberries, red onion and brown onion, some tangerines, some potatoes, some fresh thyme, fresh coriander and mixed chilies. I also have a cucumber, a butternut squash, some flat leaf parsley, bananas, easy peelers, some garlic, ginger, some Cheetos, some Coke, 2 packs of plain flour, 2 packs of caster sugar, 2 unsalted butters and 2 packs of this pasta as well. And that is everything, guys. And in Aldi we spent £119 and 12 pence. So I think that means we spent 119 in both. Not sure on the pence, but that's a bit weird. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. As you can see, we got quite a bit. We needed it, and of course the kids are off, so yeah, I hope you've all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do want to see more grocery hauls from me. I'm sorry I've been quite lazy with them. It's just because at the moment things have just been so hectic and busy that I just want to get the shopping away and move on with my day. But if you would like to see more of them, do let me know. But thank you so much for watching, and if you do want to see some of this food in action, make sure you're subscribing to see what I eat in a day is from me. And of course, if you do want to have recipe cards from me, you can check out my recipe clubs as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.